Yay!
Good job.
You.
Woohoo! Oh, good job. Watch out for your hand. Good job.
I have your safety scissors.
Yeah. Be careful though, they can still cut you. You want to turn your hand around this way?
Yeah. I need you to help with my other hand.
You want to try with your left hand?
Yeah, that's my thumb.
This is going to go in here and put your fingers in the bottom. Like that. Kind of tricky. Watch out for your hand so you don't cut your fingers, okay?
Yeah.
Good.
I have your safety scissors.
Good job.
You.
You are the one doing a good job. Good job. Good job.
Good job, me.
Good job, Jax. Job.
Are you kissing and cutting?
Yeah. Yeah.
I love you.
I love you. These ones go in the big.
Yep, that's right. Just like that.
And then you keep your thumb up.
That's too many. Maybe this. Maybe